phone going berserk, serves getting on my nerves. My nigga keeps saying that the shit don't be in, but he been saying that the last few weekends. When niggas ain't eating, shit'll get bad. Niggas that you knew all your life will run up in your bag. Suckers get around other suckers and do sucker shit. Let them run together, put them in one click. Now all of a sudden everybody with the mob, everybody with the shit until somebody died. They said man don't cry, shit I was hurt when I seen them put my nigga Chubb in the dirt. Death or the pen, come with the game. I slide through the hood but shit just ain't the same. I don't be hanging around with new niggas. Shout out to the world, I fucks with the critters.
Yo, straight the fuck up. Shout out to the real niggas. To all the real niggas. R.I.P. to my little bro, dude.